This is Jefferson Community Technical College's Advanced Manufacturing and Information Technology campus
on South First Street
here in Louisville, Kentucky. This is a really unique building in that we do two things here. One, on the first floor of the building is all about advanced manufacturing.
We learn everything from hydraulics, pneumatics, to robotics over here. We have electronic motor control trainers.
And on the second floor of the building is information technology.
A lot of cool stuff.
Looking good, guys. Make sure you have enough elevation to get some tension on there.
We're a chapter of a national group, which is FAME USA, the Federation of Advanced Manufacturing Education.
That's way too loose.
FAME provides an opportunity for people that may be interested in working in advanced manufacturing.
From a young age, I was very into fixing things, learning things, how they work, what they do. And from that point, my parents kind of told me, they said, hey, we have this program. It's very suitable for you. You go to work, you go to school, it's paid for by the Work Ready Scholarship.
In a traditional apprenticeship program where it might take 4 years to complete your apprenticeship, we're able to take that same number of classroom hours and reduce the time frame down to 18 months.
After that, we get put into the workforce. We get to go out and to a company and get paid good money and learn and be in the field and have these skills and really see what our potential is.
They are here for 8 hours each day, Tuesday, Thursday. The other 3 days of the week, they're working for one of our manufacturing sponsors.
They absolutely love us because we're a fresh set of eyes, we're something new, we're continuing on the generation of the people getting out of this field, retiring.
GE Appliances, that's a major partner with us. You also have several food companies, you have some chemical companies like Dow Chemical. So it's not just centered on one specific manufacturing group, but it's across a broad spectrum.
So you can be anybody from a robotics technician to a standard maintenance technician. You can go into HVAC, any processes that require human hands, human maintenance, human eyes, understanding how things work, how they process.
So far, I like it. I like it a lot. As soon as we come out here to the trainers, it's really fun.
Really excited to get into the robotics, the PLCs, the rest of the Amatrol trainers. They're really hands-on, they're really exciting, and just learning the processes and then applying it to the real work.
We're kind of doing it on our own, like the teacher's watching over us, so it kind of helps us trying to figure it out and do it on our own before we get that teacher assistance.
Go up 3, there you go, 3/16.
We get into mechanical training, programmable controllers, all the things that make them able to become a multi-craft technician. They have certification in almost everything that they took a course in. Manufacturing is the key to everything in America, in that everything starts somewhere in somebody's idea that turned into a big manufacturing opportunity.
There's tons of jobs specifically for us in this degree. High-end manufacturing factories like Toyota and GE and Nucor and Lantec, definitely a lot of opportunity here, and where I'm going to end up is exactly where I want to be.
We're really proud of our graduation rate in that it's in the 90s, which is amazing considering that in today's world in higher education, those numbers are probably half of that.
I'm halfway through. I'm really excited to see where we end up.
It's nice to see the next group of people that are coming in manufacturing and that are going to be leaders in industry. Young, youthful, highly intelligent, highly motivated, makes me excited, makes me want to be part of that. It's only getting started. The industry is continuing to progress. We got to progress with them. Hopefully we can be that place where manufacturers say, this is where I need to pick my people from.